So we're here in the beautiful city of St. Louis with Clean the World and MH Equipment, a great partner of ours, and we have built 1,500 incredible hygiene kits. These 1,500 kits that we built tonight will greatly help those in need by bringing hygiene and hygiene awareness to the local community and impact that's so very important. So we want to thank MH Equipment once again for your passion, your pride, and everything that you do to support us and those that are in need. If you'd like to learn more about Clean the World and our global mission to save lives with soap, you can reach out to our website at www.cleantheworld.org.